Yeah, look like something wrong with the vent though, you know. I try to say I can try. I know a brother. Where you pay from, boss man? Eh? Yeah, I say I know a brother who can fix it for you just so boom bang boss. Competition next month I want a trainer who can. How that's in the back of the bush? I know a brother who can lift weight and thing and him can. Yeah, it look like I have some engine problem with the car. What it? Oh. I know a brother who can fix it, you know, cause he's good for them engine. Yeah, so I say for the party I want to do a nice like a landscaping thing. Yeah, I know a brother who can landscape the thing and make it look nice, your party and thing you do, cause a long time I do it. Seriously, where did you come from? And please get out of my tree. Get out of my tree, please, sir. I'm by the pool, but the pool won't clean. I get someone to clean the pool, and you know. No, sir, I know a brother who can clean the pool. Get out of my pool now.